Okay. What will you do if you have a fire in your campus or anywhere? What will you do first thing?
Extinction. Inform theater. Alarm.
Alarm. Yeah, alarm. First thing is alarm. Inform everybody that there is fire. Okay. Second thing is what?
Second thing is running.
Evacuate. Correct. We have to evacuate everybody. Then third thing is extinguishing fire. Okay. So to extinguish fire, we have extinguishers. But do you know how to use them? Okay. I'll show you how to use them. Before that, we'll learn what is fire. Do you know what is fire? Define fire. Fire. Okay, I'll tell you. Fire is an entity which burns anything. It gives light, it has heat. Okay? So how is this fire formed? Fire forms with a fire triangle. You know fire triangle? I hope you have learned. No fire triangle? You have learned? Okay. So fire triangle is, one is heat. Okay? Heat, then the combustible material and the fuel or the air. Okay? When all these things come at together at one time, then the fire ignites. Okay? So if there is this fire, how do we have this principle of extinguishing the fire? We have to remove one thing from the triangle, either air, fuel or heat. Okay? Then the fire gets extinguished. So that's the principle. Now we have types of fire. What are types of fire? There are A, B, C and D type of fire. 4 types of fires. Okay? A comes in wood, paper, rubber, general fire. B is oil fires. C is combustible materials like oil fires, chemical fires and energized equipments like electricity, electronic. Okay? And the fourth thing is a special type of fire which we see in crackers. Metal fire we call it. Okay? So 4 types of fires. So what is written over here is A, B, C. Can you see that? Yes? Can you see A, B, C? Can you see B, C here?
Yes.
No, B, C is not visible. Okay.
So
this is BC. So this is B and C. This is A, B, C. So all types of fire this can be used. Okay, this is a powder type of fire extinguisher. Okay, I'll show you how to use it. There is this seal made over here. Okay, similar seal. Just pluck it out. Just pluck it out, and there is this pin over here. Just pull this pin out, pull this hose, hold it firm, aim at the base of the fire and squeeze and hold this, and you can just go on extinguishing fire in a sweeping mode. Okay, extinguish at the base of the fire, not at the top of the fire. Okay. So next thing is, this is a gas type of fire, carbon dioxide gas type of fire. So there is this attachment to hold the and aim the fire. Okay. Plug the seal out. There is this pin over here. Take it out. Hold the hose on this valve, and you can start extinguishing fire. Hit at the base of the fire, and the fire gets extinguished. Okay. So I'll show you a small demo. Seal out, pin out, holding this.
The powder you go there, the liquid.
That's how it is. Within 10 seconds, fire should be off. That's it. Thank you. Any questions? Anything you want to ask? Come this side, come this side. Come this side. Anything? No? Okay, thank you so much.
Oh yeah.
Pull this out. Pull this pin out. Hold this. Yeah. And then hold this and press. That's it.
这是吧？先生，来。